So I'd say the biggest mistakes new homeowners make when they get new sod is probably not keeping up with the fertilization, pest control, mowing too early. If you put a mower on it too early and it's not fully rooted, it can uproot the whole sod piece. Not ensuring that you have proper head-to-head coverage. You really want to make sure, especially during the initial rooting process, the first 2 weeks, you get enough appropriate water, and also just the wrong watering hours. To become fully established, I would say it takes about a month in general, 30 to 45 days. The initial rooting process is about 2 weeks. After the first 14, 15 days, you'll see it start to root. To generally make sure that it's all rooted, I would say about 30 days. Some depends on the layout of your yard. I mean, there's shaded areas that might take a little longer to establish. For a great sod installation, we always make sure that everything is torn out completely. There's no roots or anything from the old sod. We get that completely out of there. We make sure everything's graded and smooth. The topsoil is nice. We don't want any air pockets under the sod that can delay the rooting or even cause no rooting at all. We always make sure we keep the existing grass in your yard looking nice. We use mats, so we have proper cleanup, and then we always make sure that we make it easier on the customer. So we handle all the irrigation, your controller for the first 45 days, really make sure it's established. We make it as easy as possible and as clean and efficient as possible.